This is the trend review for Thursday, the 16th of November 2023. I had a very choppy day today. I was looking at Nvidia and Tesla, but Tesla wasn't really trading well, so I just ignored it. It reacted S3 and it actually also sold off from S4. And but I don't like the price range here. But it seems like it traded created S3. There's actually a nice reaction here of S3. And anyways, I focus mainly on Nvidia. Tesla actually ended up being nicer. But I was looking at Nvidia. I had a bit of a later start than I would like, so I missed this entry long here on around S3 for a really nice run. And then here, this is where I'm really mad. I missed out on this doji. It was at R1, but because of the lack of volume, I wasn't that confident. But that confidence cost me as we immediately drop for a nice RBR. We did respect the open price pretty well. And then we had a nice run to R2. I thought I missed this entry almost, and I was just hesitating all over the place. So I decided to use the 5 minute to make my first entry for an R2 rejection. But you can see on the 2 minute, we still didn't have clear price action. So on the 2 minute, my entry was late, and so I got stopped out on the pullback, with a very spread loss. So I ended up losing 1.5 R on this trade, and it was a nice hammer, but it wasn't yet at the top of the range. So this is an A trade. So I don't think we executed very well. And then my second mistake here was trading. I noticed this hammer was a very strong signal despite me being stopped out at first, and we had a really strong resistance area here. So I decided to pull the trigger again with this hammer. I mean, with this small doji, but this was not another valid doji. So again, I'm just chasing the money. And so, with that being said, I made a third attempt, very heavy position, and it just blew past my stop loss, but I removed it, which is a big sin, because I recognize the selling pressure here, and I was just getting stopped out, and I anticipated the move, and it turned out to be a nice entry based on the 5 minute, because you have finally that reaction here of R2, and that results in a strong move back into to value, previous day close. We didn't quite reach there, but we started to head that direction. So I held here this pullback to the top, and then finally here could have been a nice entry at 492.17, which is exactly the break of the 5 minute hammer. So this was the perfect entry, and right here. And with a size of 40 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, I will have been able to uh, either partial at 3 to 1 here and then get stopped out or break even later. But I will have been able to take advantage of this further move down here and end the day beautifully if I had been more disciplined with my entry. And this could have been a much better entry. But anyways, this trade ended up working in my favor. I partial here at 3 to 1 to get rid of some of the heavy losses that I had today. Then I was very scared here. I should have added here at the 20 moving average, but after one parcel, I was still kind of heavy, and I just needed a move to 490.30 to get allowed to end the day at goal and recover all the losses. But I should have added here on this doji especially. But I still had a little bit more than a 1 hour loss at this moment, so all of that affected my psychology. And then we finally had that drop, but we failed to hit 490 30 again. So I decided to get out another percentage of my position, another 30%, and that forced me to get allowed at 490.15, but it never hit my target for the daily goal here. So I gave it all out, all the unrealized, and I decided to get out here before it came back to break even, which was a mistake because we immediately turned and could have ended the day at least 1 hour. You can see it here, not the best price action, but it actually pulled back as there was no conviction to keep running higher on a day like this, and the Camarilla pivots worked. It's just that very messy price action. Maybe Tesla could have been a nicer trade. I will have been able to plan a fail S3 long because the pivots are bullish. So the pivots are bullish, they're wide. And yeah, I could have played a short of S3 today on Tesla, but I wasn't trading it. It's become a little bit more difficult to trade lately, so I'm looking on Tesla. But anyways, this was an A. This one, yes, resulted in it was balanced. Actually, no, it was bearish. That's why I made the entry, and we actually returned back. 2.6 R. So on the daily, they will respect rules. Nope. And 8, 5, 7, I will say. I don't think I did my morning routine today. That's also not good. And I had a selling 3-month rip. I recover from my mistakes and I executed my plan at the end. I guess it's hard to find good things here. I don't hit my goal. I only executed one-third of my trades, 33%. 30 trades, which is not good actually. I ended up with 1 to 1 and 2 and 0.1. So not a very good day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we're at 1.5 for the week, but lots of mistakes today. Well, much better than the previous week. Anyways, that's it for my trade review. I gotta execute when I see those beautiful signals, despite of how I'm doing on the week, because that is causing a lot of issues to me. And should have planned for Tesla, but it's okay. And that's it for my